video on social media. Níwájú Ọlọ́run àti ènìyàn. My instinct told me immediately that this guy is fake. Abẹ́ẹ̀gbọ́n. Ẹ má gbàgbé pé Alison and VDM, when you are there to compare them, you are what I became a compare òkú pẹ̀lú ohun. Abẹ́ẹ̀gbọ́n. Alison dey take vulnerability àwọn èèyàn. Ó fi gba owó lóríṣiríṣi. Àṣé VDM ó ti ń bò tipẹ́tipẹ́. VDM ti ń bò àṣírí ẹ̀ tipẹ́tipẹ́. VDM ti ń bò àṣírí bọ̀bọ̀ ẹ̀ tipẹ́tipẹ́. Tí VDM bá ti sọ̀rọ̀, wọ́n sọ pé ó jealous Alison ni. What is in Alison that VDM want to be jealous about? In all ramification, Alison cannot stand VDM. Ẹ gbàgbé. Even táṣírí Alison ò bá tú. You can never compare VDM with Alison. It's an insult on VDM's personality. Abẹ́ẹ̀gbọ́n mi. Alison will come out. Ibi tó fi jẹ́ ká ti bí ìṣáná kíyèsí ògùn. Báwo ni Alison ṣe jẹ́ intermediary between kidnappers and the families of the kidnappers? Àwọn Naija, a máa ń jẹ́ kí emotions go take the better part of us. When we are into emotions, we don't think deep. Alison will organize kidnappers. Alison also intermediary between the kidnappers and the families. Make it make sense. Sherry, Mama Sokiriko, and you all know me. I will just come online to lie to you. I will, as I'm always telling you people, nobody will tell you my stories. Nobody will tell you my past. The past, Michelle, my suffering. VDM had come out several times to tell us about his past. Yeah? Now, Alison, just because Alison Nigerians immediately comes online to fake kidnapping, to fake everything. People will fall for it and start donating. Please, even if you don't have what to do with your money, challenge. Owó tẹ̀ dá fún wọn lójoojúmọ́ yẹn, ẹ máa fi sí kóló, ẹ wo nǹkan tó máa di fún yín at the end of the year. Many people don't have this money. I can tell you authoritatively. Many people don't have this money. Abẹ́ẹ̀gbọ́n mi. But just because Nigeria lé àánú, olójú àánú ni wá lágbárí. Quickly they will all come out. Lágbájá need help. Who need the help? Tàbẹ̀dú need the help. Ẹ wo nǹkan tí Alison ṣe. Ó tún wá dé láti police station. Alison refused to come and, explain to the public. If not, if VDM tún àṣírí bọ̀bọ̀ yìí, many people are still saying they stand with Alison. Mo wá béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín ni, gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ dúró ti Alison, ṣé ẹsẹ̀ tí ń ro yín ni? Ṣé arthritis ti mú yín lẹ́sẹ̀? Ẹ máa dúró ti Alison mọ́. Kí ló dé ta ṣe burú báyìí? Ẹ wá sọ pé ẹ fẹ́ better Nigeria. And VDM is calling this guy out. Ẹ sọ pé ó jealous. If not for VDM on this social media, ẹ mọ̀ nǹkan tí gbogbo àwọn yẹ̀yẹ́ bí tí yìí máa ti fojú yín rí. Àwọn influencers yìí, wọ́n á gbowó, wọn ò ní báyọ̀ ṣe advert, wọ́n á lu jìbìtì fún yàn, wọ́n á ta ọjà òkùnkùn fún yín. May God bless the womb that birthed VDM. May God bless VDM wherever it is. VDM is an asset, is a good global asset that Nigerians should be praying for. That Nigerians should be praying for. apologize. Even if he come out and apologize, his integrity is down the drain. Integrity is the budget. So even if Sanusi come and apologize, and you call him Madawo Fusi, possible now. Possible now. Nínú kòsíkòsí. I don't want to talk about people in diaspora now. Some people in Nigeria, they contribute as little as 1,000 naira. Not because they have. I reduced. What is going on? Because I don't need crowd. I need me fail and when you're anybody that knows me will tell you I'm not about the crowd. Even if it is one person that is watching me, yeah? So far they see something to take back home. I don't need the crowd. In your life, 2026, me fail. Me found to was senseless. Me found to they cannot think with their brain. I don't need crowd. This is 2026. I don't need crowd at all. What is your crowd giving me? I'm not paid on social media. Your crowd is not adding to my account balance. So what do I need the crowd for? I don't need the crowd. I need genuine, organic people. People that are sensible. I don't need crowd, please. I don't. Check crowd you love shady. What is the killer of an ipe? A robot don't want me. Think on. And I'm not in competition, please. You know, crowd, you don't see crowd on TikTok. Barry crowd, you know. Check me the bella then gift in it. I have a crowd, you know. So get up at the crowd, you need. And you want to say the 2026 lawa. Me for she. Anybody minimally? I don't need crowd. It's a solo. Now, can you move my solo, Jerry? Can I solo? Video one butter. I'm a Kowani. Alison, you need to come out and apologize. What has his apology got to do with us? This is not his first time. This is not his first time. And he will not stop. It's in his blood. It is in his blood. It is in his blood. So please, I'm out this afternoon. Support VDM's craft. Support VDM. Don't look at VDM. Look at what it is delivering. And what VDM won't deliver to society. I don't need VDM in any way because nobody can scam me. If I need anything in Nigeria, I live in the UK. Nobody can scam me. We have laws here. All this ariwo tampa fún àǹfààní ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń gbé Nàìjíríà ni. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń gbé Nàìjíríà yìí jù dẹ̀ ni. Ẹ̀yin lẹ́ ń gbé VDM ṣépè lójoojúmọ́. Wọ́n ti torí yín gbàwẹ̀ ẹ̀yin jẹ ọ̀sán. Àbí nǹkan tí mo sọ yẹn. This is 2026. Èèyàn tó ń follow torí pé kò ṣàǹfààní fún ẹ. Torí pé kò add to your value. Torí pé kò add mọ́ ẹ. Kàkà bẹ́ẹ̀ ó depreciate ẹni unfollow the person. Ẹ fẹ́ mọ èèyàn tí mo ti block nínú ọdún yìí. Èèyàn tí mo ti delete lórí WhatsApp mi. Abẹ́ ẹ̀gbọ́n mi ṣá. Please, 2026, protect your mental health. Filter what you are going to listen to. Filter who you are going to follow. Abẹ́ ẹ̀gbọ́n mi. Because many of these people, they are deceivers. They will come online and deceive you, but they are doing something behind. Harrison, even if the world forgive you, let me give you an example. Harrison, even if people forgive Harrison, they can shock you. Evil men do, we always go after them. Forget it. And a good example is this Pastor Brick Okafor. Pastor Brick Okafor. Look at that one too. Pastor, you know. When that Sandra came out to expose the pastor, many people don't want to listen to her because she's an accomplice as well. But immediately VDM stepped in. The pastor came out to apologize. The pastor released that Susan. Sandra. Look at that pastor as well. He came out to apologize, that pastor. He knelt his thank you, Doris. The pastor knelt down to apologize to the public. That is the power of VDM. Forget it, it is not about Doris. VDM has a lot. You see him ṣe lásán ó fi wọ́n ṣe nǹkan ni wọ́n fi wọ́n ṣe nǹkan ni. Go and check out Adoni's page. Yes, ọmọ ìyá mẹ́ta tún ti jáde. Wọ́n ti gbójú àwọn ọmọ yẹn síbẹ̀. Wọ́n gbójú àwọn girls yẹn síbẹ̀. Àwọn ọmọ ìyá mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta ló bá sùn. Ó fún àwọn mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta lóyún. Yes, go and check out Adoni's page. Look at that. And that one will climb the altar on Sunday to preach. And the apology is not even an apology. Let me tell you why he apologized. Because he doesn't want to. I don't even know how to say it. Yes, ọmọ ìyá mẹ́ta is on Aunty Adoni's page. Àwọn yẹn ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ jáde ní. Àbíkọ́ tí mo sọ yẹn is on Aunty Adoni's page. Ọmọ ìyá mẹ́ta ló bá sùn. Wọ́n bímọ. Gbogbo wọn bímọ. It's not for VDM. Because Doris yẹn náà antecedent tí ò dá. She's an accomplice. Wọ́n jọ ń pààyàn. Wọ́n jọ ń ṣèkà ní. Ìgbà tó wà fẹ́ tó break promise ẹ̀ lòun náà bọ́ta sọ̀rọ̀. Yes, go and check out Adoni's page. Ọmọ ìyá mẹ́ta ló fún lóyún ló bímọ fún. If not for VDN, it not had happened in that Nigeria. If not for VDN. And I'm always saying something. Cherry o, Pastor Puig Okafor, ó sọ pé òun bọ́ta òun wá bẹ̀bẹ̀. Ṣé ẹ gbọ́ mi? Mo sọ kí ní kan fún àbúrò mi. Mo ní ó ṣe é ṣe kó ti change. But do you know why this is haunting him? Nǹkan tó ti ṣe ló ń haunt ẹ̀. Ó possible kó ti change lóòótọ́. Are you going to agree with me? Are you all going to agree with me? Because he said something. Ó nígbà tóun ti ní àwọn spiritual father. Ó lóun ti change. Is somebody going to agree with me? He might have changed. But let me tell you, evil men do it. Always live after them. That is why I'm telling you now, even if the world forgive Harrison, all his atrocities, all his evil ways, he's still gonna haunt him in future. And what Pastor Puig Okafor say? Ó ṣe jẹ́ pé ìgbà tó fẹ́ settle down ní evil tó ti ṣe sẹ́yìn ló wá haunt ẹ̀. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń wò mí lẹ́ni, ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe rere. Ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe rere. Ẹ̀rẹ́ni tó dùn fún sí ẹ máa celebrate ẹ̀. Ọlọ́run gbà fún ó ń ṣe dáadáa láyé. Tí nǹkan tó ń ṣe lẹ́yìn tó bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní haunt ẹ̀. Tí nǹkan tó ń ṣe lẹ́yìn bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní haunt ẹ̀. Ẹ bá káàánú. Ẹ kọ déètì ní sílẹ̀. Ẹ kọ déètì ní sílẹ̀. Somebody said he has not changed. I am not here to judge. We just have to talk about it. Yeah? I am not here to judge. I am just here to tell you that he might have changed, but his past will definitely haunt him. And it is not about him alone. All of us, our past will definitely haunt us, either we like it or not. So either Harrison comes out to apologize, or he doesn't come out, his past will haunt him. Forget it. His past will haunt him. Almighty Harrison ìgbé, Almighty gbogbo ẹbí ẹgbẹ́ tí ò ní rẹ̀ nígbà lẹ̀. Àbẹ̀bọ̀, àwọn bandits máa pàyà ẹ̀, wọ́n máa pa gbogbo ẹbí ẹ̀. Because I'm telling you, tó bá investigate Harrison dada, and if the police are refusing to do something about Harrison, I'm going to tell you this afternoon, the police, they are accomplice with Harrison. Harrison ìbá wọn ọlọ́pàá ìlú ẹ̀yẹ wọ́n jọ ṣiṣẹ́. They are working together. I will tell you that for free. If Harrison has been doing this for years and nobody's talking, the policemen in that state, they are an accomplice. They are working with Harrison. They are working with Harrison. And this 2026, let me just tell you now, anything you are doing secretly, that you think nobody is seeing you, anything you are doing secretly, stop it this 2026. So 2026 now, ọdún ẹ̀san ni. Ọdún káṣírí máa tún ni. Ìgbà tó bá fi fún yàn ló máa fi san fún ẹ lọ́dún yìí. Kò ṣe pé I am telling you for free. Anything tó ń ṣe tó fi bá ayé yẹ, ayé ń gbé ẹga, ayé ń celebrate ẹ, tó o bá dáwọ́ nínú ẹ̀kún bàjẹ́. Abẹ́ẹ̀gbọ́, ìwọ tó fi tọ́ dúdú sínú tó o tún funfun ta, tó they are the best. Let me talk you. They are the worst. But this 2026, write this down. Maybe I'll show our Baba G or you don't power. But I'm only for 2026. It's only come to pass here. What I ever when you take and I'm diary me from 2026. Write what I'm saying down now. And you're confident. 2026. Ashiri Oshishimatu and connect in this. And ring come. Our best of your best. Ashiri Matu. Me regularly for one line. Ashiri Matu. And ring come. More. I want to have if you tell you just go for everybody. What? Cherry, it don't share the day in Paris here. Ọlọ́run fi ń ṣí wa létí ó fi ń ṣí wa lójú ni pé ìwà àbàjẹ́ tó ń wù lọ dẹ́kun ẹ̀ 2026 dẹ́kun bá 2025 lọ because a lot of exposure is still going to happen. I can get 2026 is the year of many secrets. Many secrets are going to be unfolded. I can tell you that for free. I can tell you that for free. I can tell you that for free. What else do I want to talk about? Kí ni mo tún fẹ́ sọ náà? Ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ̀rọ̀ Anthony. May Anthony's soul rest in everlasting peace. Ìgbà tí nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Anthony ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Anthony. Many of us were putting out updates. Yeah? Many of us were putting out updates that there was no ambulance on site, there was no stretcher on site. Anthony Joshua, his friends. I put an update on my page, and some people come on my page to say that Monkasi Nigeria, gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ kọ kíní yẹn sábẹ́ chat ni ní ṣe oríire wọ́n máa fòkó yín ránṣẹ́ sáwọn òbí yín ni. Mo ti sọ pé no, Anthony is not dead. I'm not saying Anthony is dead. Anthony's friends, yes. Anthony is alive, yeah. Anthony's friends passed, yeah.